loud back here. I was wrong.
No, he just needs to be a squeaky thing and chasing on the whole time.
True. It looks, oh, African lions there. Yeah, someone else went to Carol Baskin.
I know, it's so new tigers to be around me like Carol Baskin.
Mountain tigers over there.
What happened?
Oh, they're cuddling up there. You just had to finish the song.
Yes.
Grant's zebra. No, that was a tree. Oh, back there, yes. Blue wildebeest. Over here you have a javelina. They're asleep over there. In that little square box. They're all cuddling. Oh, peacock there. Bison over there. Don't make me kick you off that train for this puns. Camel over there.
And honk there.
Okay, get off. There's a black leopard over there. Over here, I didn't catch what was over there.
Whole lot of nothing to your left.
Coatimundi. Oh yeah. They're just coming out. An eland or two over there. It's supposed to be in a dax here, but it looks like they're asleep.
Wait, the way that car.
Yep.
Ah. Oh, look at the baby deer. Oh, the baby deer.
Oh. What's in this next one?
Kangaroo song! Kangaroo song!
I know! Ah, the warthog.
When I was a young warthog.
And that's it.